Alright, so just got this package in from Hong Kong, and the backstory on it is that I bought this board from the same brand, broke the tail off. I wanted another one, so I sent them an order and told them what happened to the first one. They decided to send me some free wheels and trucks with it. So shout out to Travelol for that. Oh, come on. So here's a new one. Glorious, as you could expect. And this is the exciting part. Oh, okay. Got some. So these are air trucks. See that? Gave me some black and gold air trucks to match my board. Cool. Super cool. And then what do we got for wheels? Ooh. Alright. Some lucky wheels. It's kind of like a reddish maroon and a blue. And they're 60mm 88. Sweet. I like 60mm wheels for flat ground and sliding too. Heading over to the skate park. Gonna test out the new trucks and wheels. Happy to be back on my Taichi 39. Or a Taichi 39. I really do love the shape and the kicktails. Alright, well, I'm gonna get a warm-up in and yeah, hopefully get some clips today. Oh yeah, I'm ripping that Hype Theory official today. One of my favorite shirts, favorite graphics. Alright, let's string something together here. I mean, I don't know much about air trucks, honestly, but they're solid for flat ground and skating around the park. I don't know what they'd feel like downhill. I guess we got the right bushings on, doesn't matter. And these lucky wheels, 60mm ADA, remind me a lot of the jammers, the Blood Orange jammers. 60mm, very slidey, almost slippery. So definitely good for like flat ground slides, like no comply slides, and blunt slides, slide bake spins, stuff like that. And yeah, I mean, I don't think they're much lighter than the Paris 180s. So weight of everything seems pretty similar. I mean, this deck, Taichi 39, is definitely lighter than a Tesseract, for sure. All right, well, I'm gonna call it a day. Hope some of the shots came out nice. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you for the next one.